The Dura Trench linear drain system by Eric'sons Manufacturing provides an efficient solution to potential spills and hazards surrounding your site. Designed to withstand the elements and the weight of crossing vehicles, our drain system can be counted on in any environment they're placed in. Trusted on commercial, industrial, and institutional projects, Eric'sons Dura Trench products are located throughout the country and are utilized by hundreds of popular companies, institutions, and government agencies. In order to maintain our high-quality product, our drains are always handcrafted and each system is fully customized in-house to your performance requirements. We offer countless variations in materials and design to help guarantee the perfect drain for your application. And to help ensure the compatibility of our products in all 50 states, our drains are independently tested, IAPMO approved, and are accepted by various state DOTs. They are also ready to be modified to accommodate any other state or business regulations. At Eric'sons Manufacturing, your vision is realized through our craftsmanship. From the moment your product leaves our factory floor to its eventual installation, we stand by the integrity of our products and ensure that you will be satisfied with your drainage solution. To request a quote or to learn more about our product, please feel free to visit our website at www.duratrench.com or email us at info@eric-sons.com.